Oh, what a left hand. Oh, he almost came out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our next fight over here, under 52 kilogram, we have Azim in the red gloves and Lee Sai-Kit in the blue gloves. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, AMA Any Martial Arts is brought to you by Orchids Impacts Global. All your chocolate goodies over at booth number 4 and 16 down at the fashion court in front of Habib Jewels. Chocolates, chocolates, chocolates. I love myself lots of chocolates. Ten seconds left. End of round number 1. Round number 2. Azim in the red, Lee Sai-Kit in the blue. Quite a impactful first round. Oh, what a left hand. Oh, he almost came out. He almost dropped out of the ring. Oh, Lee Sai-Kit trying to shove him out of the ring again. Oh, that's a sharp right hand from Lee Sai-Kit. Sai-Kit wants to finish off the fight. Azim needs to be careful. A big hook there by Sai-Kit. Oh man, Azim certainly twirling days. He's seeing stars. He's up in the orbits, and the right hand is sending him to Mars. Oh, so much combination. Knockdown counts in favor of Lee Sai-Kit. Azim is gonna continue to fight. Oh my goodness! Talk about a SpaceX exploration! All the punches are raining in! The comets from Jupiter! Oh my goodness! Strong right kick. Oh man, Azim is now hands down. He's asking to get knocked out. Another right hand from Sai-Kit. Uppercut from Lee Sai-Kit attacking the legs. Oh my goodness, the big punches right in the dome. End of the second round. Ladies and gentlemen, this fight has been called to a close.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by TKO goes to the blue corner.